morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about values of some trigonometrical functions. We are going to find out different angles. See here, 150, 135, 120. Like that, we are going to discuss about different angles and then related values for these trigonometric specific values. In your 10th standard syllabus, you already learned about 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. In the first quadrant angles, you already well known. So from the use of that, we are going to find out these values. See question number 1. Sine 150 degree. Sine 150 degree. This can be converted in the form of sine of 180 minus 30. Sine of 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30 is nothing but 150 degree. Now, already we discussed about 18 here. See 9, that means 90. Then 180, 270, 360. Any angles can be put in the four relations we already discussed. Here 9 and 27 means, I already gave an idea. 9 and 27 means apply co-functions. 18 and 36 means apply same function. Here we are going to apply same function. Here apply co-function. Now listen this one. Sine of 180 minus 30 in the form of sine of 180 minus theta. Already we discussed about this one. Sine of 180 means 18. Think about it is an even number. Then apply the same function, sine. Instead of theta, how much angle we are having? 30 degree. In which we are having, instead of theta, we are having 30 degree. So sine 30. Now think about the quadrant. After relate the values, then think about the quadrants. 150 degree. With the help of this ASTC, already we learned about this one, ASTC. First quadrant all positive, second quadrant sine and its reciprocal positive. So 150 degree lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. So it will produce positive sine 30. So positive sine 30 means from your 10th syllabus you know sine 30 value is 1 by 2. So we can convert any degrees in the form of 180 plus a or 180 minus a, 90 plus a or 90 minus, 270 plus or 270 minus, 360 plus or 360 minus. So 150 degree can be put in the form of 180 minus 30. It is in the form 180 minus theta. 18 comes, apply the same function. Instead of theta, use 30 degree. It lies in second quadrant. That means sine takes positive. We can get 1 by 2. Suppose a student think about like this also. This 150 degree can be put in the form of sine of 90 plus 60. A student may split this 150 degree like this also. So sine 150 degree can be put in the form of sine 90 plus 60. This is also 150. But see here 9 comes. 9 means already, I gave an idea, 9 and 27. Apply co-function. What is the co-function of sine family? Cos. Co-function of sine family is cos. Instead of theta, we have 60 degree. 150 lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant, once again, think about the given, not about the result. Think about the given. Sine 150 lies in the second quadrant. So sine takes positive. From your trigonometric table, cos 60 will produce 1 by 2. See, both answer will be same only. So we can split 150 in the form of sine 150 in the form of 180 minus theta or 90 plus theta. Here 90 plus 60, here 180 minus 30. Here apply same function. The reason is 18. Consider 18 as the even. Here think about 90 plus 60. 9, think about odd number. So apply cofunction. In any way, you can get the same result. So take down the ideas clearly. This is your wish. You can split in any one of the way. But this is the best method. Why it is the best method? 18 means apply the same function. If you are able to split in the form of 18 and 36, it is very convenient. That's all. Now, see question number 2. Cos 135. The given angle is cos 135. Now we are having 135. 135 can be put in the form of cos of 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45. Now listen, 180 comes, that is 18 comes means take the same function cos 45. Instead of theta, we are having 45. Therefore, it is in the form of cos of 180 minus theta, then put the same function, then instead of theta, 45. Now think about, it lies in which quadrant? It lies in the second quadrant. 135 means more than 90, less than 180. So, it lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant, cos takes negative. Think about always ASTC. It is very useful idea, ASTC, and also very important idea. So, in second quadrant, sign family gets positive. Here, the given is cos, therefore it takes negative. Now listen, cos 45. From your trigonometric table, it is well known value. Cos 45 means 1 by root 2. Now, you can think about this sum in the form of one more method, 135. Cos 135 again can be put in the form of cos of 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45 is also 135. Now listen, 9 comes. If 9, we are getting a 9 family, what is the procedure? Apply cofunction. What is the cofunction of cos? Sine. Instead of theta, how much angle we are having? 45. Think about 135, second quadrant. Second quadrant, cos takes negative. Here see, sine 45. Sine 45 is also, you get the value 1 by root 2. See, compare the both answer. It will produce same results only. Therefore, we have some conclusion. Any angles can be put in the form of 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta. 90 plus or 90 minus. 180 plus theta or 180 minus theta. We can put 270 plus theta or 270 minus theta. 360 plus theta or you can put 360 minus theta. All the angles can be put in the 4 formations only. In these 4 formations, you can use any one method. Suppose, see here, 90 plus 45 or 180 minus 45. Which is more convenient, means 180 minus 45 is more convenient. For what reason? You are going to apply same function. So apply the same function. Then think about the given angle lies in which quadrant? Think about the given angle, not the resultant. So think about the given angle 135 lies in the second quadrant, therefore it will take negative. So in the same formation here, 90 plus 45. 9 means apply cofunction. What is the cofunction of cos? Sine. Theta instead of theta, 45. Then it also produces the same results. So hereafter use any one method. So for these 2 examples, I am giving 2-way answering. In 2 ways you are getting the same answer. Hereafter apply only one method. Which method is more convenient? 18 plus or minus or 36 plus or minus. Hereafter use like this, 18 plus or minus or 36 plus or minus. Now think about tan 120. The third question is tan 120. Tan 120 means tan of 180 minus 60. Use only one method. So if 18 comes means same function. Instead of theta, we are getting 60 degree. So tan 120 can be put in the form of 180 minus 60. Here 120 lies in second quadrant. By applying the concept of ASTC, in second quadrant tan gets negative. Therefore, negative. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3. The value of tan 60 is root 3. Therefore, we can get minus tan 60. That means minus root 3. Here, question number 3. Now, think about question number 4. See question number 4. Sine 480 degree. Sine 480 degree. See here. It has more than one complete rotation. Now think about 480. So it has more than one complete rotation. So initially already we explained it. If any angle having more than one complete rotation, remove the angles. That means 480 is the given. One complete rotation is 360 degree. Then remove that, we can get 120 degree. So instead of this 480, we can say sine 120. This is then another type of knowledge. Here we are having more than 360. If we have more than 360, then complete rotation means 360 degree. Remove from the given 480 minus 360, we can get 120 degree. Now sine 120 degree. Sine 120 degree means we can put in the form of 180 minus 60. So 180 minus 60 means 18 comes. Apply the same function. Then instead of theta, sine 60 lies in which quadrant? See, 120 lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Sine takes positive. Therefore, positive sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So here 480 converted to be 120. 480 converted to be 120 means initially we have already explained these two angles are coterminal angles. We are thinking about already coterminal angles. The meaning of coterminal, 480 having how much complete rotations? One complete rotation. After that 120 degree. See here, one complete rotation. Again 120 means like this. So 480 can be converted to 120. After that, use then same idea. 180 minus 60. Again 180 comes. Apply the same function. Sine 60 value from the table. We can say root 3 by 2. Now see question number 5. See question number 5. In your fifth question, cos 300 degree. Cos 300 degree. Cos 300 degree we can split in the form of cos of 360 minus 60. It can be put in the form of cos of 360 minus 60. 360 minus 60 means we can write 300. We can split like this. Now see 36 comes. 36 means apply same function. Then apply cos 60. Instead of theta, we are having 60 degree. But 300 degree lies in which quadrant? 300 degree lies in which quadrant? Consider about ASTC. What is the meaning of ASTC? In fourth quadrant, C and its reciprocal. C means cos and its reciprocal. Secant also positive. Therefore, 300 degree lies in fourth quadrant. 300 degree lies in fourth quadrant. More than 270, less than 360, automatically we can conclude fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, by the rule of ASTC, cos gets positive. From the trigonometric table, cos 60 degree gets the value 1 by 2. So, in this all 10 examples, now listen, 150 degree, 135, 120, all are given angles 480 and 300 degree, we discussed it. Now, in your sixth question, just listen. Here see, 660 degree. The given is cot 660 degree. What is the meaning here? It has more than one complete rotation. More than one complete rotation means complete rotation have how much degree? 360 degree. Now we are able to subtract from the given. So 660 is given. Then subtract. We can get how much? 300 degree we are getting. So given angle is cot 660. We can eliminate one complete rotation. Then the remaining is cot 300. cot 300. Now this 300 degree can be split in the form of 360 minus 60. 360 minus 60. So cot 360 minus 60. Now 36 comes, apply the same function, cot. Then instead of theta, you are having 60 degree. So 36 means apply the same function. Instead of theta, we are having 60 degree. Now 300 degree lies in which quadrant? ASTC, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, 300 degree takes in fourth quadrant, but the given is cot. Cot takes negative in the fourth quadrant. So it means minus. What is the value of cot 60? From your 10th standard, you know the value of tan 60. Tan 60 means root 3. Here cot 60. That means reciprocal of tan family. Reciprocal of tan family means here minus 1 by root 3. You can get minus 1 by root 3. Cot 60, reciprocal of tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. Reciprocal is 1 by root 3. Now, see the question number 7. See the question number 7. Sine of minus 1110 degree. See carefully here. Sine of minus 1110 degree. Now listen carefully. So far, up to 6 questions, the given angles are positive only. That means positive angle means it takes anti-clockwise rotation. See here, negative angle. So it means, what is the meaning of negative comes? It has clockwise rotation. Now, already we have some formulas basic. Ratios of minus theta. We have some theoretical concept already worked out. Ratios of minus theta. In that, sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta, it means minus sine theta. Already we discussed it. Cos and its reciprocal, secant or even function. That means it observes the negative. Here, sine and its reciprocal cosecant, tan and its reciprocal cot, or emits the negative. See, emits the negative. These functions are called odd functions. Now, sine of minus theta means minus sine theta. In this same concept, see here, negativity. This angle have a negative symbol. Therefore, it emits a negative first. So, negative comes out. Now, sine of 1110 degrees. So, this negative comes out. That function is called odd function. Now, see, negative 1110 degree. It has 3 complete rotations. So, remove 1110 degree. 3 complete rotation means 1080 degree. Then remove. We can get 30 degree remaining. So we can get sine of 30. So you know the trigonometric values for sine 30 from your table. That is straight away we can apply minus 1 by 2. So here, listen carefully. This type of angle comes means you have to think about the basic result, that is the ratios of minus theta. So ratios of minus theta means keep in your memory things only 2 concept, odd function, even function. Cos and its reciprocal, secant, observes the negative. Therefore, these 2 functions are called even functions. The remaining 4, sine, see sine emits the negative. The same way, cosecant emits the negative. Then tan emits the negative. Then cot also emits the negative. These 4 functions are called odd function. Here see, given is sine. So it emits them negative. After that, think about the same concept. 1110 degree have 3 complete rotations. Remove the 3 complete rotations. 1110. 3 complete rotations mean 1080. Remove. We can get 30. Therefore, sine 30. Sine 30 means from the table we can get minus 1 by 2. In the same way, see here, sine of 765. 765, it has 2 complete rotations. It has 2 complete rotations. One rotation 360. Second rotation, that means 2 rotation means 720 degree we are able to remove. From this 765, remove the two complete rotations, 725, 720 from the 765, remove 720, the remaining is 5, 6, we can get 45 straight away. So 765 can be put in the form of sine of 45. From this trigonometric table, it is well known, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So out of these 10 questions, I discussed 8. The remaining 2, listen students, try yourself. Think about. First, I can give the ideas, try yourself. Cosecant minus 1410. Think about this. Cosecant of minus 1410. What is the first rule? Think about this negative. Think about this negative. Then cosecant, odd function, it will emits the negative. Therefore, it will comes out first. Negative comes out. Minus cosecant of 1410 degree. Now 1410 degree means it has 3 complete rotation. So from this remove 3 complete rotations. After that split where in which quadrant it lies. Try yourself. In the same way, think about question number 10. So tan of 1050 degree. Here only positive angle. See here negative angle. If it has a negative, then think about negative will comes out or observes. Emitting or observing. Here it will take emits because cosecant is odd function. Now 1050. See, think about 1080 here has 3 complete rotation, but it has only 2 complete rotation. 1050 degree, then remove 720 degree, it has 2 complete rotation. After that, try yourself. The balance, that means the remaining angle lies in which quadrant. So far we completed 10 questions. 8 questions here itself we finished. For 9th and 10th, I gave some ideas. Try yourself. Now listen students. See here we are having 4 different trigonometrical data are given. Tan 315, cot of minus 405. Again you are having a positive symbol. Here these two are multiplying. Here cot 495. Then tan of minus 585. Then simplifying these 4 values, we can get the number 2. For this, take these values separately like this. Tan of 315. Tan of 315. Now split. We discussed the 10 questions. Now split tan of 315 degree. Tan of 315 degree can be put in the form of tan of 360 minus 45. Tan of 360 minus 45. So 360 minus 45 will produce 315 degree. Now 36 comes. Apply the same function. Tan means tan. Instead of theta, we are having 45 degree. But 315 lies in which quadrant? It lies in 4th quadrant. By applying the concept of ASTC, 315 lies in the 4th quadrant. There in 4th quadrant, tan gets negative. That means we can get minus 1. Therefore, for this tan 350 separately work out, we can get minus 1. In the same way, think about cot of minus 405. Cot of minus 405 degree. Now listen, see here, it means negative angle here. The given data means negative. So cots emit the negative because it is an odd function. It negative emits the negative means this emit negative will comes out minus cot 405. See, 405 means, what is the meaning? It has more than 1 complete rotation. Therefore, from this 405, remove 360. So we have balance, we can get 45 degree. So minus cot 45. That means 405, we can remove 360. So the remaining is 45. Now, cot 45, reciprocal of tan, the value is 1. So in this given data, we are able to work out the 2 data. First one is minus 1, the second one is also minus 1. In the same way, you are going to work out the remaining two. Cot 495. See the question. Cot 495. See the third one. Cot 495 degree. So it also complete more than one rotation. From this 495, remove the complete rotation. One complete rotation 360. We can get 5. Then 9, 6 means we can get 3. 4, 3 means we can get 135. So 360 you are removing because it has more than complete one rotation. Remove that. The remaining is 135. So 495 can be put right like this. Cot 135. So now cot 135 can be put in the form of 180 minus 45. Now listen, 180 minus 45, 180 comes, apply the same function. Instead of theta, we have 45 degree, but it lies in which quadrant? 135 lies in second quadrant. So 135 lies in second quadrant means second quadrant, sign and reciprocal positive, the remaining are negative. Therefore we can get minus 1. For the third result also, we are getting minus 1. Now think about the fourth one, tan of minus 585 degree. Tan of minus 585 degree. Now think about this negative. Tan emits the negative. Tan emits the negative. Therefore, negative will come out. Tan 585. So negative comes out first. Tan emits the negative. See here 585. 585 means if complete one rotation, more than one rotation, then remove one rotation, that is 360. The remaining is 5 here. Here 8, 6, you can get 2. 5, 3, you can get 2. So 585 can be write in the form of, can be put in the form of tan of 225. Tan of 225. Listen carefully once again. 585 means it has more than one rotation. Remove 360. The remaining is 225. Now listen. This negative first comes out. For what reason? The meaning is it emits the negative. So it emits the negative means negative comes out. Now listen. Negative tan 25 225 can be written in the form of 180 plus 45. 180 plus 45. So 180 plus 45 means 225. It means 18 comes, then apply the same function. So minus tan 45. Now listen, 225 lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan takes positive, but already you are having a negative symbol. This negative symbol already you are having. This 225 takes positive symbol. This positive and negative means minus 1. This positive and negative means minus 1. Therefore, we are worked out separately the results of the given 4. Just we have to substitute in this given data. So already we finished the values of 4 different angles. So what are the 4 different? Tan 315 takes negative 1. Already worked out. Substitute the data. Cot 405 also produce negative 1. Then you are having a positive symbol. Cot 495 again will produce minus 1. Here tan of minus 585, this value is also minus 1. Now simplifying, this produce the positive 1. Here also positive 1. Therefore we can get 2. 2 is the required proof. Therefore for any angles is given, don't bother. Just split where it lies. Where it lies means in which quadrant the given data is given. So 315, think about lies in which quadrant. 405, see here carefully, negative. So use the odd function, even function idea. Then after that it lies in which quadrant? Try yourself. then 495. Think about it, complete more than one rotation. Remove the rotation. One rotation means 360, remove it. Here also more than one rotation. Before that, think about negative. In the same way, you are able to work out any question, then apply the concept. In this type of questions, you have two important things. One thing is ASTC concept. One idea is ASTC idea. Another one is think about 927 will produce odd number means this 927 means odd number, that is 270. That means think about 270. It is odd numbers. This odd number means apply cofunction. Then 1836. These two are even numbers. Apply same functions. Then these ideas, follow these ideas, you will get the result. Listen students, see the given question. Cot 180 plus theta, 90 minus theta, like this the given data. So already we are having the basic concepts. See the basic concept. 180 plus theta means apply the same function cot theta, but lies in which quadrant? Think about the which quadrant. Here 180 plus theta crosses over 180. That means it lies in the third quadrant. Third quadrant, by rule ASTC, tan and its reciprocal are positive. Here the given is cot, therefore it will take positive. See the second one, sin 90 minus theta. You have already proof for sin 90 minus theta. That means cos. Why cos theta comes? 9. 9 means apply the cofunction. For sin, cos is the cofunction. 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant, all are positive. Then see, cos of minus theta. Cos observes the negative. Already we discussed about these ratios of minus theta. Cos observes the negative, therefore it will produce cos theta. Then divided by, see here, sin 270 plus theta. Here 27 comes. What is the meaning of 27? Think about it is an odd number. Then odd number means apply cofunction. Cofunction for sin is cos theta. But it lies in which quadrant? 27 plus theta lies in the, crosses over 27 means lies in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, given, think about the given, sin takes negative. So this is a negative result. Tan of minus theta. Tan emits the negative because tan is an odd function. We take out negative. So tan of minus theta will produce minus tan theta. Now once again, 36 plus theta. 36 comes here. Meaning of 36, it is an even number. Apply the same function, that is cosecant, then theta. But 36 plus, that means it lies in one complete rotation. It lies in the first quadrant. First quadrant, all are positive. So therefore the given question can be simplified like this. See here 180, 90, then 27, here 36. All are simplified. Now we are able to work out. Now listen, both negative. In the denominator we are having two negatives, it will become positive. Always think about the symbols first. See here one negative, here one negative, so it will be eliminated. Now this cos numerator and this cos denominator will be removed. See the balance, cot. Cot means cos divided by sin. Cos divided by sin. The remaining one more cos in the numerator divided by, this is cancelled in numerator and denominator. See both negative will be eliminated. Instead of this tan, it can be put in the form of sin by cos. Can be put in the form of sin by cos. Remaining one more cosecant. Cosecant can be written in the form of 1 by sin. 1 by sin. Now listen, cos in the numerator, cos into cos becomes cos squared. Cos into cos becomes cos squared. The remaining divided by 1 sin. See this denominator, sin numerator and denominator will be eliminated. The remaining is 1 by cos. It will take the reciprocal. Therefore cos comes here. It will take reciprocal, then cos comes here. Once again listen. Then this cot can be put in the form of cos by sin. The remaining one cos, already one cos will be numerator eliminated. Both negatives will be positive. Then see the denominator, tan, sin by cos, then cosecant, 1 by sin. This sign will be eliminated. Now take the reciprocal. We can get cos squared by sin by cos. Now see the proof. Already we are having cos squared. Here we derived cos squared. The remaining is cos by sin. That is nothing but cot. Therefore, cos squared theta. This cos by sin can be written in the form of cot theta. We are able to get the proof. So apply the knowledge. Think about 180 and 36. Think about 90 and 27. Use the rule properly. You can get the result for any question. Thank you.